What's going on, guys? Billy here with Billy Schultz Music, bringing you the easiest guitar tutorials on YouTube, and today we're learning how to play Savage Love by Jason Derulo. If you're new here, click that subscribe button and the notification bell, or else I'll steal your girlfriend. Also, I'm giving away a free guitar, so if you want to know how you can enter to win, stick around to the end of the video, but for now, let's jump into it. This is how you play it. This song is in standard tuning. You're going to capo up to your 3rd fret. It's only using 4 different chords that just repeat throughout the entire song. As always, if you need the guitar chord diagrams, you can find them in the free ebook that's in the video description. It's called Master the Guitar in 7 Days. First chord you need is going to be A minor. It's 002210. And then you need F major. I'm playing an F major 7, but you can play just the regular bar chord. I'm playing 133210. Then C major, 032010. And then G major, 320003. Once you get the chords down, all you need is your strumming pattern. There are 2 different strumming patterns. One kind of happens in the pre-chorus where they are actually strumming. The main strumming pattern is just an up strum or is just a down strum on the up beat throughout the verses. It's just 4 times on each chord. It looks like down, down, and you're muting in between each one. Down, 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 down. And again, you're just muting in between each one of those, and there's just 4 down strums on each chord. Now, the next strumming pattern that happens in the pre-chorus every now and then is a down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. Same strumming pattern through each chord. You could technically play that throughout the entire song if you wanted to. Again, it's down, 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 up, 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 down, 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 up. There you have it, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please click that like button. You can click here for how you can win a free guitar. You can click here for more tutorials, and we'll see you guys in the next video.